Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. We'll start from the higher time frame, which is daily time frame. Then slowly we'll be narrowing down to the lower time frame. In all the time frames, I'll be sharing the support and resistance level so that it will help you to understand the areas of support in different time frames and decide your entry and exit based on this support and resistance level. Please watch this video fully. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers. Please use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. So I am in daily time frame now. When we notice a price action in daily time frame, this downside support is still holding, and this one is also currently holding very strong, and on the top side also levels are holding. Still it's not bridged. So the current price action is moving within a symmetric triangle, and every time it is retracing and testing the resistance and support level, it is narrowing down. The range of trading is narrowing down. And also when we see the current price action, it is very clear that it is trading within this support and resistance level. Immediate resistance is going to be at 1808 and support is going to be 1765. It has momentarily tested this resistance level also, but the price couldn't sustain at this level. Again it has retraced and tested the bottommost support level also, which is 1765. So it is still a range bound market when we look at the price action in daily time frame. The current price action has taken support over here, so I am expecting the price action to go and retest on the resistance level over here and then retrace back. But slowly as it goes up and down, you can see that the price action is going on a bullish trend. So only when it breaks this resistance level of 1808, we can expect a uptrend to start, and next level of resistance is going to be at 1829. So as long as this dynamic support level of the blue color line is not breached, we cannot expect the downtrend to start. It is still a bullish trend trading within this support and resistance level. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. So we can clearly notice that the current price action has tested this resistance level of 1809 and it has taken a downtrend and tried to break this support level, but it couldn't break this. Currently the market is on a bullish trend trying to retrace and test this resistance level again. So it is forming a zigzag pattern within this support and resistance levels. So from the 4 hours time frame, we can see that the price action is in a bullish trend and it is a range bound market for now. Let us mark the support and resistance level for 4 hours time frame. So these are all going to be the support and resistance level in 4 hours time frame, and the value marked in red color is the higher time frame resistance level. So if it breaks these red color values, we can expect a trend reversal, which means if it breaks on the upper side, we can expect the uptrend to continue and test on the next level of resistance over here, which is around 1828. If it breaks on the bottommost side, we can expect the next level of support to be at 1726. So it is still a range bound market when we look at the price action from the 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here I have already drawn the trend line or the resistance line. Previously the price was on a downtrend and was properly respecting this trend line. Then at this point it has broken this trend line and started its bullish trend. But it didn't have enough bullishness to continuously go on a bullish side, and it has started consolidating within these levels over here. Resistance line is acting as a support line for now. I have drawn the downside support line also. As long as this support line is holding, we can expect the uptrend to continue and test this higher time frame resistance level, which is around 1810. So it is for sure it is in a uptrend, but the momentum is very less. It is not steeply going up or it is not steeply coming down when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. So let us mark the support and resistance level in 30 minutes time frame. So these are all going to be the support and resistance level in 30 minutes time frame. I'm expecting this dynamic support level to hold. As long as it doesn't breach this dynamic support level, we can expect the uptrend to continue and test this topmost resistance level. If it breaches this support level, it will be a bearish trend and we can expect it to trend down and test this bottommost support level, which is around 1763. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame and mark the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. So I am in 5 minutes time frame now. In 5 minutes time frame, we can clearly notice that it is moving in a uptrend and it is within a channel pattern, bullish channel pattern. This is the highest level it has gone and this is the lowest level. It is momentarily breached this support level and it has retraced and it is currently going on a very nice bullish side. I have drawn the midline of this channel pattern to actually let you know that how strong the bullish trend is. It is on a bullish side, but slowly it is moving on a bullish side when we look at the price action from the 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the price ranges in 5 minutes time frame. The price action is moving in a very nice channel pattern. As long as it is moving within this channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. And once it breaches this level, as I said in the 30 minutes time frame, we can expect a trend reversal to happen and go and test on the bottommost support line from the daily time frame. Mark these support and resistance levels and also the channel pattern and decide your entry and exit based on these levels. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe.